Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a CRA account online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my laptop, and then from here I'm going to type in canada.ca, and now choose your language, English. And now this is the official website where you can create a CRA account. Then from here you want to click onto the sign in button. It will be at the top right hand of your screen. And now under where it says most requested, type in CRA my account. And now once you get to this page, scroll down and look for option 2. So sign in with your CRA user ID and password, or you can register. So what you want to do is we want to register. So click on CRA register. Now give this a few moments to load up, and then this will redirect you to another page here. So as you can see, it says please wait, the system is processing your request. And if you have this issue here like I do, it's got error 028. Our services are not available at this time. See our hours of service. So if I open this up on a new page, you can only do this. It's available 21 hours of a day, which is quite weird, but it is what it is. So obviously due to daily maintenance activities, the service is not available for 3 hours a day from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. Eastern time. So just be mindful of that when you do create an account. But if you create an account when it's available, what it will say here would be validate your identity, and then it will say social insurance number, your date of birth, your tax information, etc., etc. Just go through all the steps there to register for a CRA account, and in turn it will create an account for you as well.